Tesla has announced the start of building on a new facility in Lathrop, California, called the Megafactory. The new factory was unexpected because there were no rumors about it, and Tesla never made an announcement. We just found out about it after Sunny Dalliwal posted photos of a groundbreaking ceremony for the new factory. Sunny Dalliwal, mayor of Lathrop, has announced the new Tesla Megafactory. Until then, all we knew about the Megafactory was that it would manufacture Megapacks, Tesla's largest stationary energy storage product. Tesla is now the sole manufacturer of battery packs, Powerwalls, power packs, and Megapacks for the energy industry at the Gigafactory in Nevada. However, it appears that the corporation is currently expanding operations to California. Megapacks, according to Tesla, are 60% more energy-dense than power packs due to their greater size and integrated power electronics. It can also be installed immediately on-site and delivered in containers. Battery technologies quickly became attractive for large-scale energy storage projects, such as Battery Project to replace Ventura County gas peaker when Huge 1 GWH project in Northern California. It's intriguing that Tesla is expanding to Lathrop to manufacture new battery packs. Tesla has traditionally used warehouses in Northern California locations to house its logistical operations. In 2019, we took a deeper look at Tesla's Lathrop real estate and enterprises. Tesla owns a 500,000 square foot building in Lathrop, approximately an hour east of the Fremont plant, and has long-term leases on at least 3 more facilities totaling more than 1 million square feet, according to the company's filing. In 2019, the corporation also took over the new 870,000 square foot facility. This is the first plant dedicated to the Megapack, though it's unclear whether production of Tesla's other storage devices, including the Powerwall and Power Packs, will move to the new facility. The new factory is a boon for the automaker's expanding energy segment. Unlike the Powerwall, which is a home consumer battery product, the Megapack is intended for utility-scale energy storage. Utilities are increasingly combining solar and wind farms with big batteries to store excess energy for subsequent discharge to the grid. The Salt River Project, an Arizona electric company, has completed a 100 megawatt-hour Megapack project. CEO Elon Musk confirmed that there was substantial unmet demand for these storage goods during a second quarter earnings call in June, adding that the Megapack was essentially sold out into next year. He also predicted that demand for Powerwall would exceed 1 million devices each year. Much of the slowdown isn't just due to a lack of production capacity. Musk also informed investors that cell supply and a global chip shortage were causing output ceilings. Because we utilize a lot of the same chips in the Powerwall as you do in a car, it's like, which one do you want to make? He asked. Cars or Powerwalls? So we need to produce automobiles, so production of the Powerwall has been cut. The chip shortage, on the other hand, does not appear to be abating. In fact, the White House will have its second summit with semiconductor manufacturers and customers on Thursday to discuss the lingering effects on the technology and car industries. Tesla has revealed a new crucial element regarding the Megafactory. It intends to create 40 GWH of Megapacks each year, implying a significant increase in energy storage deployment. Elon Musk was asked what the planned manufacturing capacity of the new Megafactory was at the company's shareholder meeting. The CEO didn't know off the top of his head, but another Tesla official remembered him and confirmed that Tesla projected to produce 40 GWH at the plant yearly. This is nothing short of monumental, given that Tesla is now deploying energy storage capacity at a rate of approximately 4 GWH per year. We're talking about a tenfold increase from the new facility alone, and that 4 GWH pace includes Powerwall and Power Packs. Given that battery cells are still thought to be a bottleneck, Tesla would most likely take a long time to ramp up to that production capacity. Musk reaffirmed at the meeting that Tesla intends to prioritize cell supply for its electric vehicles, with extra cells going to Megapacks. However, the CEO restated Tesla's intention to purchase all cell supplies from manufacturers that perform well and are competitively priced, in addition to the automaker's own attempt to build its own cells. Musk even stated that he assured suppliers that they could raise production by 100% and still buy everything. Tesla's TechnoKing also believes that the energy storage industry will grow to the same scale as the car industry. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What do you think about this mega factory? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.